Hey guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys. Okay, like I'm creating a episode thing, right? On this guys. Anyway, I'm just gonna be showing you. I'm really good at the shotgun, okay? Because I don't really. There's nothing new on Phantom Forces, is there ever? See, watch. Let's kill a guy. See, guys. I'm helping. Guys, I'm a good player with the shotgun. Oh man, did I even hit him? Hit him. Okay, maybe I'm not good with the shotgun, guys. Maybe. I don't know why, but I was using it at a different place and I was really good with it. Let's see. Okay, we're blue. We're blue. I'm gonna try to get the snipers. Okay, why don't we go get them from here? Let's do it. He's dead. Oh man. Okay, guys, let's do another round until. Okay, it says on my screen, but it's not showing it on your screen. We have 1:37. Okay, yeah, okay. I'm just gonna do it until 10 minutes. Okay, guys, because I don't want to make a long video. This is extremely boring. I got some new guns, so I played a little bit yesterday. That's not new. That's kind of new. I don't like using that. Shotgun, guys, shotgun. I'm pretty good with this guy. We got a silencer, I think, got a suppressor, and we also got a laser. We also got some cool skin. I'm pretty good with this gun. That's why I keep it. It's one of my favorite guns, guys. Grenade, equipment. I know you don't have any of those. I have a pretty cool skin through it. Yep, and there we go. There we go. The shotgun just helps me, guys. I mean, it's just instant kill, guys. That's what I really like about the shotgun. See, instant kill. I mean, if you do like that, okay. Yeah, it's not very good from a distance. And I don't like shooting in these places because shotguns aren't really good unless, like, I don't know. Okay, I just got wrecked. Oh, there's another sniper guy. Let's see. Oh, I know how to get out of here. Oh, somebody has a shotgun. I don't know what kind, but it has this missing accent, guys. Let's get up here, see if we can catch any snipers. See, guys, told you, see if we can catch any snipers. Hey, we just caught another. Let's get him by surprise, guys. That other guy didn't see us. I don't know if you saw him out of the corner of your eye. I saw him. Okay, he's dead. See, that's what I really like, guys. Look at this. Look at this shotgun. Okay, yeah, but it takes a long time to reload. Oh. Guess you can do that. Well, I just wasted my bullets. Guys, oh! Maybe I should have kept it, guys. Let's see, I killed, right? Yeah, I wasted my bullets anyway. And the question is, did I really hurt my team? Okay, yes, I hurt my team. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna be using the shotgun. I thought I was pretty good with it. Fine, I'll use the shotgun. I will use the shotgun. But I gotta take people by surprise. Oh, that guy just got headshotted. No. Oh my gosh! Literally, I just hit that guy, guys. You guys saw that. Well, I mean, if you weren't right in front of me, maybe you would have saw that, but I don't know. Let's clear this place up. Let's try to... Oh, that sounds pretty cool, guys. Oh gosh, you guys saw how much damage that did? Any of you guys? Dude, it took us 50 health. Okay, let's get him right now. We got a shotgun in our hand. He's not gonna be messing with us, guys. Not gonna be messing with us. No, sir. See, guys, I'm done with this shotgun up close combat. Try sniping this thing, guys. Oh, imagine if I actually killed him. That'd be pretty cool. Oh gosh, I just died, guys. Oh, I didn't do any damage to that guy. 15, okay, I'd take. Oh, what? Oh, that guy's messed up. That guy's messed up. How do you snipe? Oh, well, snipe me with an M60? That's odd. I mean, I've done it multiple times. Because my M60 has a sniper scope. Oh, snap. Let's get this guy. Put it back to the wall. Yeah, let's try to get up here, guys. Because, like, most of the time I can never get up here. This is where it is yet. Your friend's dead. So you guys are pretty good. I got good guns. Okay, let's wait here for this then. So why not, guys? Let's get in. Let's get in a safer place, though. Now, let's try to get in this gun. Oh my gosh, guys. I didn't even do any damage to that. Okay, I did a little bit. Turns out I did like nothing. Okay, let's take the back away. It's maybe safer. Maybe, because I never know. Let's try to get these guys. I should have kept my shotgun. I definitely would have killed them. Oh man, do I have to hit shift? I'm not very good at the jump. Okay, guys, nope, didn't make it that time. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's not very smart. Okay. Oh, stop. Yeah, man. M60 my butt. That guy's dead. Now I'm taking that out. Anyway, I'm too lazy to do that. I don't even know how to. I'm just not. Maybe you shouldn't have shot me. Wait, is that the guy? See the UP5? It was him! Oh, that's a bomb. Oh, that's not good. Oh. Oh, yep, it went off. Okay, I didn't think it was going to. So I was like, oh. And I was like, glad it was quite far away. There's another guy, guys. I don't plan on fighting him. Was that a bad guy? Oh, that's beautiful. There's another guy behind me. Okay, that's not good. We need to reload right now. Let's get to the back. Come on. Alright, it goes to 14. I've counted it before. Okay. Let's go see if there's any snipers. That's what this has been for. Killing the snipes. Oh, okay, guys. That was an epic fail. Well, epic now. I just died. That was not epic. That was just not epic. Just sad. Okay, well, it's been 10 minutes, guys. Sorry, but when I die because I can just switch. I already tried zooming out. It won't let me. Oh, famous, huh? Huh? You were famous. Now he's not. Running, guys. Oh, well, okay. Oh, is that a shotgun? Is that a better shotgun than me? That was a bad idea, sir. I feel like there's somebody about to come. Ha! I knew it! Oh, that's your good bad guy. Okay. Oh! Just kill it! Kill it! Oh my gosh, guys! Oh, that's not good. I'm out. Here's when my fate goes. Fate of the Furious, guys. Oh, didn't die yet? I don't know how, but I killed like 5 people. I don't even know how, though. Is there another person over here? Oh. Over here? Over here? I'm just gonna stay in this area, maybe. Too. Let's get out of here. I'm glad you can't run out of energy on this game. Like, obviously you can die, but like when you run, you never. Oh, yeah. Let's go check this place out. See if there's any bad people. Oh my gosh! I actually killed him. He must have been low health, as I can see. Okay, who is sniping me? Am I on the radar? No. I'm good. Why is this guy just backing away slowly? I ran up to him so I can actually kill him. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Okay, that guy's dead. Wait, is that a good shotgun? I want that shotgun if it's good. Oh, that's horrible. Let's run. Killed somebody with this gun. I don't even know what I'm doing. Oh, he killed me with this. Oh no, that was. Oh, he's gonna switch out guns. He's gonna realize. Oh, why are we all? Okay. How to kill yourself? Run to it. How to kill yourself, guys. I killed myself. Why is everyone up here, you idiots? Now we're all gonna die. Oh, man. I told you guys next time I die. I'm not kidding this time. Next time I die. Oh, you're a good guy. There's not a lot of good guys. They're all underground. See? I'm the only guy that knows how he's doing. What he's doing. Oh, that's not good. Harry Potter. Oh, get wrecked, my man. Okay, I got loaded. And guys, that's it. Oh, I lied to you guys. 15 minutes, okay? Bye, guys.